Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating the project and choosing the right template for your workflow. Once done, set a clear project key and enable the issue types you need so teams can begin immediately. Make sure to configure basic permissions and roles now, because early access control prevents confusion later. Also link a default board and backlog so you can show work visually. Finally, invite team members with the correct roles so people can create and triage issues right away. Next, tailor workflows to your team's actual process, draft statuses, transitions, and who moves issues between states. Once your flow is mapped, add conditions and validators to prevent invalid transitions and use post functions or automation to update fields or notify stakeholders. Make sure screens and custom fields appear where needed so users see relevant data at each step. Test with a sandbox issue to validate behavior, then iterate based on developer and stakeholder feedback before rolling out broadly. To finish, create boards and saved filters for teams, configure sprints if using Scrum, and wire integrations like Bitbucket or GitHub for development context. Once live, tune notifications, SLAs, and priorities so the system surfaces the right work. If something breaks, start troubleshooting by reproducing the issue, then check project and global permissions, automation trigger conditions, and the audit logs for errors. If still unresolved, temporarily disable recent automations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.